विदुर जी बाहर से एंट्री करनी है आपने।
अच्छा जी सर।
हाँ वो पीछे से, चलो मिडल से ही आ जाना। हाँ ठीक है। आपके लेफ्ट हैंड में कोई रजिस्टर पकड़ो, लेफ्ट हैंड में।
अपना ही ले आते हैं।
हाँ ले लो शाबाश। ये अमित बाबू गर्म करके दे दो, ये दोनों ले लो कप। Good, excellent, good entry. कौन से कॉलेज की है? नहीं 95 है।
93.5.
Let us assume I am.
Great Lakes वाली हो चुकी है.
Okay. Let us assume I am Shillong. अब सेटल हो जाओ दोस्तों। Why you want to join I am Shillong?
Sir, obviously the name of I am Shillong speaks for itself. I am is a brand in itself. It was a dream for me while studying for CAT only that I would join an IIM. So joining IIM Shillong with such, I obviously couldn't score very much, but if I can convert into an IIM with 93.52 percentile, it would be an amazing achievement in itself. So,
what is happening in Indian economy right now?
So Indian economy, obviously, before the corona situation also, it was not in a very good state of peace. But the COVID impacted it on an even worse scale. But I believe that the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which has been launched by our government, will give a basic push which is needed to reach a target of the fight. We won't be obviously reaching the target of $5 trillion economy by 2024. But obviously, if we have set a target.
What are the biggest blocks in the path of Atmanirbhar Bharat?
Sir, I believe not much focus has been given to the R&D department. Most of the corporates are discussing it all over again that if the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan has been used as a PR strategy, it might impact the FDIs all over the world. The corporates.
So if you are the Prime Minister, what focus you will give to the R&D? What focus has not been given?
Sir, I just think that not even a mention was done in the of the R&D department in the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. If we say that not only that we should export, but also invent and.
Isn't it another name for Make in India?
Sir, I believe it is also a type
just
of.
Just a new slogan.
So people are also terming it as just of a budget also. But I believe that these are just a few steps which we need to improve our situation.
One you said was not much focus on R&D.
Yes, sir.
What else is the problem for Atmanirbhar Bharat?
So second, as I told you earlier, that FDIs could be impacted through Atmanirbhar Abhiyan because the MNCs which are resided all over the world might think that India is just pushing its own producers, so it might be impacted.
Okay, what is the difference between FDI and FIIs?
Sir, one is direct, full form obviously, direct investment and institutional investment.
What is the fundamental difference between the two?
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not very clear about this.
So you talked about you fear from FDIs
Yes,
not
sir.
coming to India.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you tell me something about your academic background?
Yes, ma'am. I am currently pursuing my BBA from Shri Aurobindo College of Commerce and Management, Ludhiana.
Which is your favorite subject?
Subject would be sales and distribution.
Sales and distribution. Can you tell me, do you know what is passive sales?
Passive sales. Ma'am, passive sales would be contacting the people which we have contacted earlier also, but they haven't bought our products, and then we would ask.
No, passive sales is indirect sales. So, what is your long-term goal of doing an MBA. Do you want to pursue it in marketing or something else?
Yes, ma'am. Currently, I am.
So after MBA, what are you planning to do? Like, do you want to pursue a job or you want to start something of your own?
First of all, my basic agenda of doing an MBA was that I wanted to do something on my own only. So MBA would enable me to do something on my own, and obviously if I have put so much effort into preparing for CAT, and I would I'm not a person which would be leaving it in between. I have long-term aspirations regarding MBA only. I see myself in a corporate position at the top, as a top executive
Do you know
in the coming
any
years.
of the marketing companies that visit our campus?
No ma'am, I'm not sure about
Do you
it.
know any good marketing companies that you aspire for?
No ma'am.
So, where do you see yourself in a corporate position? Which company? You should know some of the marketing companies, right?
Yes ma'am, I should be knowing it, but I'm not sure about it.
Have you read any authors, or what is your particular favorite topic in marketing? In which area do you work?
Ma'am, I'm very much influenced by the advertisements I see on the TV or digital marketing
Which is
also.
your favorite ad?
Ma'am, currently you must have seen the ad of Dairy Milk of Cadbury, in which the owner gives a chocolate to his driver only. It sends a message that some things are beyond some boundaries also. So that ad has liked me very much in the recent times.
In the automobile sector, there was a ad campaign of Bajaj where they wanted to enter into a segment where Enfield was already there, Royal Enfield Bullet.
Okay.
They did some ads. What was your opinion? What is your
Sir,
opinion?
I haven't seen it.
Haven't seen it.
No, sir.
You watch TV less or what? Or you switch when there
No
is
sir,
a-
I might have seen it, but I couldn't recall it with the name Bajaj itself, so I'm not remembering it.
As
at
per
this
you,
point.
what is the main difference between Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane's captain?
Sir, I believe aggression is a very major difference between the both of them. One is Ajinkya on one side is a cool and composed person, not showing his emotion. He must be full of emotions, but he doesn't show them. But Virat on the other side is a person which reflects, his personality speaks for itself. Zeal can be seen on the outer side of him
You
also.
see all the positives of Virat. Do you see any negatives of his leadership trait on the team?
Sir, I believe that this quality of him might not be liked by everyone. Some people are reserved in nature and they don't.
One is liking, disliking. Secondly, how it affects the team, individuals.
Sir, I won't term it as a negative factor, sir. If the captain itself is pushing their players to show their emotions and
One
believe
is
in them.
pushing. Second is he's little too aggressive and autocratic type. So doesn't it put pressure on the players when they go and play?
Sir, I believe he penetrates his aggression on the opponents only. I haven't seen very much of instances
Whenever
where
there is a drop catch, he scolds the people very badly, even on the field.
Sir, but the same thing
He shows
speaks.
his emotions.
You are right, sir. But the same thing speaks for himself, his own self also. When he drops a catch, when he makes a mistake, also he shows similar kind of
But doesn't
emotions.
that, if the same fielder is going to receive a catch within next 6 balls, it will put extra pressure on him while taking the catch. If I drop it, then I'm going to receive same very big scolding from
Sir,
the
I
captain.
believe he has set
Because
some standards.
no fielder would miss a catch because he wants to miss a catch.
Yes, sir. No one would do it deliberately. You're right on.
So if he misses and he gets public scolding, which is being viewed by 60 lakh people in India, so it's okay.
Sir,
You
if
feel,
he
you
has-
feel it doesn't have any.
No, sir, I believe that if he has set some standards for the betterment of the team only, there is a reason why he is performing on an international level on a constant scale for so long. So
So you like him very much. He's
I-
a role
I
model.
do. No, sir, I won't term him as my role model, but obviously I like our country's captain, sir.
You like him?
Yes, sir, yes,
Okay.
sir.
What things he need to improve or mature upon as a captain of a country, India? He's good, okay, as per you, as a player, aggressive, everything. As a captain, where he lacks? as
You
per
already stated, sir, that his aggression
What is
might be.
aggression?
Yes, sir. Another thing I would say that, sir, if the leadership is divided between the formats, India would perform something better of a space. It would release some of the burden from himself, so it would impact his game much. But that's not an answer for your question. I'm sorry, sir. Yes, yes, ma'am.
So your role model, you play cricket?
Yes, sir, I do. I played for up till district level under 16, sir.
With the leather ball?
Yes, yes.
What do you do, batting or
Sir,
bowling?
I'm an pace bowling all-rounder, sir. I was in pace bowling all-rounder.
What kind of pace you ball? In swing, out swing?
No, sir, I was just a fast bowler. I couldn't produce much of the swing at that time. I was just.
But are you aware about how
Yes,
to
yes,
create
yes,
a
sir.
swing?
Yes, yes, yes.
What is the reverse swing?
So reverse swing is when we give a little of weight to one side of the shine.
Not shine.
Sir, it is the shine.
It is the ball. When ball becomes old,
Yes,
then the
sir.
leather can absorb sweat. Then
Yes,
it
sir.
becomes heavy on one
So
side.
that's why we shine it regularly to polish one side
One
so that
side.
the weight
The
impacts
other
on-
side. And how the ball swings in a normal new ball, how it swings?
Sir, the grip is slightly. We have to slant the grip of our and bowl it with our fingers towards the outer end if we have to bowl out swinger. So that's the procedure.
As
Mainly
per you,
the grip has to be changed.
Who has
sir.
been the best swing bowler in the world?
Sir, in the
Was famous
world,
for a very long time.
sir, in the world, I would say currently Jimmy Anderson is the most famous swing bowler. He has taken home more than 600 wickets.
Why the ball swings more in UK and
So
not much in India?
sir, I believe pitch has to play an impact on on it. Also, sir, the moisture, the humidity conditions. UK is a place with.
I think the biggest factor you are missing the wind. There are winds blowing over there more as compared to India, and it is the wind which cuts and then the ball takes a direction. Okay, so you said favorite topic, you don't have anything in marketing.
No, sir.
Specialization you want to do in marketing.
Yes, sir.
Sir, marketing.
Would you mind if I ask you another question about Virat?
Yes, yes, sir.
What is your opinion about his decision to take paternity leave when India was continuing with paternity leave when India was torn apart?
Sir,
He is a very nationalistic, patriotic person.
Sir, I believe in some aspects of life there are some situations which change you as a person. Becoming a parent is one
More
thing which-
important than leading the team.
Sir, I believe it is a maybe a once in lifetime instance when a person is about to become a father for the first time.
Mhm.
I believe that his family would have wanted him more to be with them, but on the other side,
Why
we
is
have
he doing advertisements for banks?
Yes, sir. Also
Fine.
for Vogue. As
So
well.
fine. So
Yes, sir.
where is this issue? And they can afford all the care. But the country was losing and it lost. It had such a humiliating defeat. And the captain doesn't come back. It's just like, you are a general fighting a war. You are an army man. We give the example that this war.
Yes, sir.
We treat all these test matches and everything also as war.
Yes,
You
sir.
see all the tamasha that goes around.
Yes, sir.
So when something like this happens, you decide not to come back. You
Sir,
are
in my
leaving.
personal opinion, when I first came to know about that Ajinkya Rahane would be leading the team instead of Virat Kohli, I just remembered the instance of 2015 World Cup when MS Dhoni was about to become a father for the first time and he didn't see his daughter for almost a month due to keeping his nation at first. But yes, sir, this came as a shock to me that Virat is leaving. But when I put myself in his place, I thought that becoming a father for the first time is one issue that maybe.
Is it your fan?
No, no,
is
sir.
it your fandom which is compromising with your sense of fair play?
Sir,
Because let us
my
assume
opinion.
you aspire to be the CEO of a company.
Yes, sir.
And something like a Maggie episode happens.
Yes, sir.
And you proceed on a paternity leave.
Yes, sir.
What happened? There is no company after that.
Yes, sir. Sir, I believe you are right that I putting myself as a fan first might have compromised my judgment on this fact, sir. But I would again say this only, sir, that
The fan in you comes back again and again.
No, no,
As
no,
it's,
no, no, no,
resurrection
sir.
again.
No, sir. If I put myself in his place and think of myself as becoming a father or any other sir major thing in life.
But should he have not have offered to come back? At least he could have done that much of courtesy. BCCI could have taken the call on that.
Sir, I believe once he has taken a decision, he should not have compromised it. It might not have looked very good on his part. Also, on the other hand, sir,
Don't you think this is a leadership failure?
It is a part of it, sir. I believe that he could have played at least one more test after the Boxing Day test or the Boxing Day test also. Anushka Sharma, his wife, due to become a mother on 21st of January, if I am correct. The series.
You are great intelligence.
So again, the fan in myself speaks for itself.
We respect it.
Yes.
Please, sir, next question. We respect it. With such loyalty, obviously.
Shillong is a very tough place to stay for a Punjabi guy. From Punjab, Shillong is northeast. Big change of culture. So how will you go?
Sir, never in my life have I stayed away from my home, sir. This is staying away from my home was one major part for what I wanted to do in MBA. My father has always told me that I would learn only when I go out of my comfort zones. So this is something which I look forward to with a lot of positivity rather than a challenge, sir. Rather than a negative challenge, sir, which would hamper me. I believe this would make me.
What are the other options you have?
So currently I had a interview call with Great Lakes Chennai, but I'm expecting a call from XIMB Bhubaneswar and also from IMT Ghaziabad.
Between XIMB Bhubaneswar
Yes, sir.
and us, IIM Shillong.
Yes, sir.
Which one will you choose?
Sir, on any day I would choose an IIM Shillong over XIMB.
Why?
So the name of IIM speaks for itself. I would again repeat this and stay on
We
this.
have diluted our name as IIM
Okay,
by
sir.
opening 12 more IIMs. What is your take on that?
Sir, obviously Shillong is considered far superior than the new or the baby IIMs, which I would call. So again,
But we were talking about IIM as a brand.
yes, sir.
So does it take a hit because we have baby IIMs, new IIMs, lot of IIMs?
Sir, inside IIMs also I would have compared. If you are putting me between IIM Shillong and XIM.
Let us. I'm repeating the question third time.
Okay, sir.
Does this affect our brand image?
Sir, it does. It does. It does. So the more we diversify itself, I believe it loses its importance. Earlier, only the ABC category was there, but again, on the other hand, sir, it would be a
So
positive
you
impact
take,
also, sir.
you have on all the views, you have two views, right? On this side also, that side.
Sir, I
You don't
believe
take
that
any
I am
position.
following a pretty balanced approach on this
Balance
side.
on everything. You can't have balanced approach. On some points, you need to have positions. You also say this is also happening. This is also. You are a very diplomatic person. You should go for.
He's into marketing. He takes marketing as whatever you say.
No, he
That
should
would
go
be
for
compliment, sir.
diplomatic job. He's very good in diplomacy. You will tell China that we like you and we also don't like you.
Sir, I believe that what you are saying is the reality of the picture, sir. We have to follow a pretty balanced approach on it, sir. The pros and cons, and then weigh on our factors, and then choose a side.
Okay, thank you. Give him a round of applause. First thing you volunteered, that itself is a demonstration of confidence and leadership. Good. And now coming to the feedback, see, we should never ever bring out our weak point. When I ask him why I am Shillong, though I could not score well, no
Sir,
need.
पहले भी बोला ना।
No need.
93.5 पे भी मुझे कर रहे हो आप।
कर लोगे मेरे को
क्योंकि
जी सर, प्लीज।
मतलब उसके फॉलोइंग
आपका भला होगा भगवान आपको वो नहीं मतलब
जी सर।
क्योंकि उसके फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ये बन जाते हैं कि दैट यू नो आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विद द सेकंड बेस्ट।
सर, मेरे को स्टार्ट इसी क्वेश्चन से हुआ कि आई एम शिलोंग में वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था, इसलिए वो उसी वक्त
देखिए
मेरा
एक पॉइंट वहाँ था नहीं, मैंने इस बार मिस कर दिया। अगर किसी की इंटरव्यू में कोई ऐसा पॉइंट आता है, फीडबैक देते हैं हम, उसमें कुछ लाइटर वेन में जाती है बात, तो उसको इसी कमरे के अंदर ही रखना है। डोंट ट्राई टू मेक ए जोक ऑफ इट एट ऑल आउटसाइड द रूम और इंडिविजुअली विद द पर्सन, ठीक है। Why it is being discussed again we repeat so that आप बाकी के इंटरव्यू से भी सीख सकें। नहीं तो फिर learning will be 1 by 10 if we do individual interviews only downstairs। अभी आप देख रहे हो ये क्वेश्चंस आपसे सब पूछे जा सकते हैं, तो don't make a joke of anyone can have a different view on something Virat or etc etc, so take feedback also just for the academic purpose, okay, so never ever from our side we will bring out anything which is demeaning to our own self, मैं ज़्यादा स्कोर नहीं कर पाया, अगर आप ले लोगे बहुत बढ़िया हो
जी,
जाएगा।
सर।
नहीं, आई एम शिलोंग, व्हाई आई एम शिलोंग, यू आर गुड, ओल्ड, एस्टेब्लिश, नोन फॉर एथिकल वैल्यू। आपने भी आई एम शिलोंग की कहानी पढ़ी नहीं,
जय सर।
तो कोई नहीं, जब आप पढ़ोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा। स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम होम जो है ना, इसका आंसर आपको उनकी लाइफ एट कैंपस में मिल जाएगा। और पास स्टूडेंट्स हैव शेयर्ड 90% or 90 या 95% they say we stay within the campus. Hardly any time we go out, क्योंकि there is so much to do within the campus. Cafeteria, badminton, ये lawn tennis, lot of clubs, lot of types of restaurants, coffee shop, etc. library. तो कहते हैं हम बाहर जाते हैं तभी है जब हमने आना होता है घर। तो आप जब उनकी बच्चों की वीडियो सुनोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा। तो एक आंसर वो बन सकता है कि सर लाइफ within IIM Shillong campus is also going to be very fantastic. Plus from outside I will learn multicultural environment. I'll see how everything has its plus and minuses. I will look at the plus. ठीक है, इंडियन इकोनॉमी आत्मनिर्भर ठीक था, डिसेंट था, बट इसका FDI से कोई
सर ये नहीं पड़ा सर, ये इम्पैक्ट करेगा इसको अगर हम इंडिया करते रहेंगे जो फॉरेन वाली।
इसमें भी मेन प्रेमाइस है मेक इन इंडिया ही है, तो उसी का नया नाम दिया, स्लोगनरिंग कर दी मोदी जी ने, उसमें मार्केटिंग गुरु है। तो इससे और आएगा इंटरव्यू में, इज मोदी ए मार्केटिंग गुरु, इज मोदी ए ब्रांड, एवरीथिंग विल डिस्कस, बट ही हैज जस्ट रीनेम्ड इट। तो अगर OnePlus भी आके इंडिया में बना रहा है तो मेक इन इंडिया है, काफ़ी लोगों को एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी देगा, उसको कोई पार्ट्स देगा, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। तो अगर इंडिया में प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा होगी तो लोग जो प्रोड्यूस करेंगे वो इनकम उनकी ज़्यादा होगी, वो खरीदेंगे, तो FDI और आएगी। FDI वहाँ जाती है जहाँ मार्केट है।
सर ये था वहाँ पे लिखा पॉइंट ये था कि अगर हम उस एक तरह से ये होगा कि इंडियन कंपनीज को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेबिलिटी होगी।
हाँ होती है, इंडियन कंपनी बेचारों को
होती
गारंटी है
नहीं सर।
हमारे अनफॉर्चुनेटली प्रोडक्ट कॉम्पिटेंस गाड़ियों में, मोबाइल्स में, लैपटॉप में HCL इज नॉट एबल टू कम्पीट इवन इन डेल। तो कहाँ एप्पल? तो आज के दिन में वो प्रॉब्लम है। वेरी लॉन्ग टर्म व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कैन हैव एन इशू व्हाट यू सेड, बट इमीडिएटली मतलब FDI will continue to come even through Atmanirbhar Bharat also. Okay, very good that he corrected himself at one point. That sir, yes, I have taken maybe the fan within me.
नहीं, he has corrected. He corrects himself very autocorrect mode. He has. Very good.
Very good, excellent.
He picks up the a drop catch and somehow the other.
तो सर ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए, मतलब यहाँ टॉप बैक हो गया है।
नहीं कर लेना चाहिए, it's good.
अगर नहीं करते तो अगर और थोड़ा अड़ जाते और नहीं करते तो फिर प्रॉब्लम।
फिर ग्रिलिंग शुरू हो जाती है।
ठीक है।
So it was good that he corrected himself by seeing that his answers were not going in right direction. So he accepted that yes sir, maybe the fan within me was.
But that is basically recovery. So the idealists don't make those mistakes.
ये हमने लिखा bias.
You don't make mistakes that way.
We had discussed that unbiased is critical thing over there. So you evaluate, even if you like someone, role model. कई बार एक्टर का पूछ लेंगे, शाहरुख खान और आमिर खान और so there will be plus of him, there will be minus. So we need to be very clear of plus and minus both. Nobody is perfect.
तो सर ये अप्रोच रखने में गलती
नहीं
है
बिल्कुल नहीं, इधर उधर नहीं, डिप्लोमेटिक इतना भी नहीं होना है, ये भी नहीं वो भी नहीं, जितना भी करोगे तो फिर उनको लगेगा बंदा ये स्टैंड ही कुछ नहीं है। अब जैसे XIMB और IIM शिलोंग के बीच में था, तो यू हैव टू टेक वन साइड।
ठीक है सर।
And why you should be very clear.
ठीक है सर।
सेकंड के बारे में पता सब कुछ वो पता कर रहे हैं।
Wherever you are going, whichever interview place, मुंबई अगर जा रहे हो,
शिलोंग में
SPJ
डाल लिया।
सिक्किम शिलोंग में आ रहे, मतलब 7 सिस्टर्स के बारे में सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है।
academic background. अच्छा ये जो था ना, something starting of my own. Rather than this, you stick to the line of corporate world. I want to be.
सर स्टार्टिंग में मेरा मतलब ये था कि डूइंग ऑन माय ओन, कि जैसे इधर लुधियाना
I want to be independent.
हाँ जी हाँ जी, ये
Financially independent.
मतलब यही था सर।
But starting of my own से मतलब आता है entrepreneurship.
ठीक है सर।
फिर वो कहेगा कि आप 3-4 हफ्ते का प्रोग्राम करो IIM अहमदाबाद से एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट या नारसी मुंजी से या ISB से, और यू गो हेड, व्हाई यू आर कमिंग वेस्टिंग 2 years.
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का तुम बोल सकते हो इफ यू हैव अ क्लियर आइडिया कि तुम्हें क्या करना है।
नहीं मैम, मेरा मतलब यही था जो सर ने
नहीं,
बताया।
अगर बाय चांस इफ एनीवन
Yes.
वांट्स टू से अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भी मना नहीं, if you have a clear plan कि मुझे 1 साल के बाद ये करना है, 2 साल के बाद ये, 3 साल के बाद ये, then you can say it.
You found out most of the questions related to marketing that she asked, which you should make it a point.
हाँ,
जी सर, उसमें मेरे को खुद ही पता है कि मैंने उसके बारे में पढ़ना है।
वो आप
तभी मैंने
immediately
आज
पढ़ लीजिए, because if you are, and then immediately the question can be which book you read for marketing.
ओके सर।
So anything other than Kotler is not an acceptable answer.
अच्छा जी।
तो वो आप उसको पढ़ो ना पढ़ो, उसकी प्रेसी पढ़ो, उसके समरीज पढ़ो, that is your call. But आप उधर you can't say a Rosie Jain or Sontaki or
जी,
whatever, that is not acceptable.
जी सर।
तो वो आप जरूर करिए।
ठीक है।
और जैसे मार्केटिंग कंपनी इन्होंने बोला था, तो वो आपके माइंड में होना चाहिए कि इंडिया की लीडिंग मार्केटिंग
जी
कंपनी
सर।
कौन सी।
जी सर। जी सर।
आइडियली आप 2-3 मेंशन कर दोगे तो कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं पड़ेगी। अगर आप सिंगल मेंशन करोगे तो बंदा कह सकता है कि दूसरी क्यों नहीं, और उनकी सेल्स टर्नओवर क्या है और ब्रांड बताओ।
ठीक है।
It can go to.
ठीक है सर।
प्रॉब्लम तो इसकी जड़ जो है ना, मेक इन इंडिया और वाई इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट देयर, इज डेफिनेटली R&D.
जी सर।
But what is the path? That also will come out after our discussion. But broad is there are like Indian Institute of Sciences, IITs. Are they given enough funds? Are they given enough impetus? Is Prime Minister meeting every week some of the innovator from India and rewarding him?
Yes sir।
Where is the government's motivation, sponsorship for it? How much money or risk government is putting on such R&D other than defense? मिसाइलें बनाई जा रही हैं पता लगातार, बट इनमें और जगह पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, मैकेनिकल, ऑटोमोबाइल, the focus and the impetus from government side,
Should be
reward, etc. is not there, and participation also.
जी सर।
IT sector developed itself of its own.
Yes sir।
It only needed infrastructure support. Infrastructure support was provided. Now there are sectors like agriculture, sectors like manufacturing, automobile, information, mobile, telecommunication, laptops, gadgets. इनमें नहीं है impetus. गवर्नमेंट बहुत कुछ कर सकती है, चाहे जापान से ही कर ले तो उसकी की हुई है, थोड़ी बहुत उधर से कोई टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर, कुछ टेक्निकल कोलैबोरेशन